Hello, Sushikins! It's now WWE World Sushi. Hippo and Symphony coming with the very food. The next dinner is Casa Lariwi. I put a link in the description because if my sister can live in Buffalo Park, I recommend this place. So we got number 14, that's Weiss, got I don't know, Weiss and Isolada and Daco, I think. Yes, that's it out. So this Bahida. Sushi, yeah, this is his taste. Mmm, mmm, that's good. Wow. Weiss, sushi, yeah, this is his taste. Mmm, mmm, wow. And now I will eat my enchilada. That's got this. Mm. Okay. It's got a message. Sushi, I'm gonna taste this. Mm. 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 So good. All this is so good. I'm not saying that because it's um I don't like uh bad reviews, but it's good review. So yeah. Um so this discussion looks like this. Um later of the night, in 2 hours, it's NXT episode. I will do it after that is off the air. But yes. Tomorrow is a review. Friday is uh 43 slash Friday Night SmackDown episode on Saturday. That is preview slash predictions for WWE 2020 Survivor Series. So stay tuned to that. So that's also from the week. So thanks for my videos. And both drop a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so and never miss an episode. It please with second impulse. Sponsor my YouTube channel in YouTube. Discount code King Sushi to save 10% off your order. And please save a channel to your family and your friends. Please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you're not done with that, I have 2 words for you. Sushi, yeah!